Most people spend hours scrolling through get-rich-quick schemes that never work. They jump from one opportunity to another, wasting time and energy without seeing real results. If you're tired of empty promises and want a proven way to make money fast, this guide will show you exactly what to do instead. The fastest way to make real money right now. Instead of chasing unrealistic dreams, focus on high-demand, low-effort services that people are already paying for. Here are 3 proven options. 1. Freelance services. Start today. If you have any marketable skill, writing, graphic design, video editing, social media management, you can start earning within 24 hours. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork connect you with clients instantly. Best for quick cash. Some gigs pay $50 to $200 per task. How to start? Create a simple profile offering one service you can deliver well. 2. Local services. Cash. Same day. People in your area need help with tasks they're willing to pay for immediately. Cleaning and organizing, moving assistance, yard work, furniture assembly. Best for immediate cash. Charge $25.50 hour. How to start? Post on Facebook Marketplace or Craigslist with before-after photos. 3. Selling unused items. Instant payout. Your home is full of things you don't need that others will buy. Electronics, brand name clothes, collectibles, furniture. Best for fast money without learning new skills. How to start? Take good photos and list on eBay, Poshmark, or OfferUp. The 3 rules for making money. Fast. Focus on what already works. Don't reinvent the wheel. Copy proven methods. Start before you feel ready. Perfect is the enemy of fast income. Prioritize immediate cash over long-term dreams. Build stability first. How to avoid wasting more time. Stop researching. Pick one method and execute. Ignore secrets. Real money comes from real work. Set a 48-hour deadline. Have your first offer live by then. Your next steps. Choose one method from above. Spend 1 hour setting it up today. Complete one paid job within 72 hours. The fastest way to make money is to start now, not tomorrow, not after more planning. Which method will you try first?